Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use built-in ruler in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on edge panels. Now first of all, turn on this edge panels button and then click on panels. Now here you will see a tools panel. So if you have not selected the tools panel, then select it to add this tools panel to the edge panels. And after adding it to the edge panels, go back to your home screen and open the app or any page in which you want to use the built-in ruler, and after opening, swipe left to open the edge panel, and from here open the tools panel. So this is the tools panel. So click on this three dot more icon to use ruler. Now here you will see a ruler option, so tap on this option and it will open the ruler. So if this ruler is not accurate, you can also calibrate the ruler and you can also switch between centimeter or inches. So that's how you can use the built-in ruler in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.